I need, in Indonesian.
Saya perlu.
Welcome. Hey, you, ready to sound natural in Indonesian and have some laughs on the way? This mini show is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your friendly language sidekick. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more goodies and free practice. Today's super tool is I need, which in Indonesian is
Saya perlu.
do the gesture. Touch your chest, then extend your hand like you're asking. Say it with me.
Saya perlu.
Thirsty? Say.
Saya perlu air.
I need water. Stuck in a shop?
Saya perlu bantuan.
I need help. Let's go. Your goal today. You'll master the pattern and swap in the words you need, anytime, anywhere. Pattern time.
Saya perlu.
Plus noun. Calm study mode?
Saya perlu ketenangan.
I need quiet. Busy day?
Saya perlu waktu.
I need time. Bonus. Casual synonym.
Butuh.
You can also say,
Saya butuh charger.
I need a charger. Questions and negation? Try.
Apakah saya perlu?
Do I need and?
Saya tidak perlu.
I don't need. Mini dialogues. Listen, repeat, and imagine you're there. Yes, you. A. Excuse me.
Saya perlu bantuan.
B. Sure, what do you need? A.
Saya perlu air.
B. No problem, right this way. A. I can't open my door.
Saya perlu kunci.
B. Spare key? Good idea. A. My head hurts. At the pharmacy.
Saya perlu obat.
B. Painkillers are over here. A. I'm lost.
Saya perlu peta.
B. Here's a map, good luck. Pronunciation beat. Clap or tap along, rhythm makes words stick. Tap tap, say.
Saya perlu kopi.
Tap tap, say.
Saya perlu kamu.
I need you, ah. Tap tap, say.
Saya perlu nasi.
Tap tap, say.
Saya perlu garam.
Cold day, say.
Saya perlu jaket.
Culture tip. At the warung. Picture a cozy Indonesian warung with fragrant spices in the air. Ordering food? You can politely add, please, with
Tolong.
For example,
Tolong, saya perlu nasi.
please, I need rice. History vibe. Indonesia is famous for
Rempah.
spices. No wonder the food is awesome. At the beach, sun care is smart.
Saya perlu tabir surya.
I need sunscreen. If you're shopping for tools.
Saya perlu peralatan.
I need equipment. Friendly, simple, effective. Quick quiz. Answer out loud. No one's judging except your pet plant. How do you say, I need water? Say it now. Answer.
Saya perlu air.
How do you say, I need help? Answer.
Saya perlu bantuan.
Your shoes are tight. Say, I need a bigger size. Answer.
Saya perlu ukuran lebih besar.
Cold hands? I need gloves. Answer.
Saya perlu sarung tangan.
Pointing at a product. I need this. Answer.
Saya perlu ini.
Silly scenarios. Laugh it in, remember it forever. Superhero rushes out without his cape, he yells.
Saya perlu jubah.
Your phone at 1% whispers.
Saya perlu charger.
On a spaceship.
Saya perlu oksigen.
On Bali's beach.
Saya perlu tabir surya.
And maybe a
Perahu.
boat for sunset pics. Hungry brain says.
Saya perlu makanan.
Challenge mode. Your turn. Build 3 true sentences you can use today. Say, I need rest.
Saya perlu istirahat.
Say, I need less work. Paradox alert.
Saya perlu lebih sedikit.
Kerja. Say, I need equipment.
Saya perlu peralatan.
Say, I need a map, a jacket, and a boat.
Saya perlu peta, jaket,
Dan.
perahu.
Say, I need food and toys for the kid.
Saya perlu makanan,
Dan.
mainan.
Bonus patterns. Question.
Apakah saya perlu?
Negation.
Saya tidak perlu.
Repeat them with
Waktu, nasi,
or.
garam.
Go, you. Goodbye and next steps. You did great, small steps, big wins. Thanks for learning with Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing.
Saya perlu.
With your daily needs, coffee, maps, help, you name it. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, drills, and culture bites. Terima kasih. See you next time.